Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is chicken chukka. To make this recipe, first dry roast 1 inch of cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon whole dhania, 2 tablespoon fennel seeds, 4 red chillies, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now dry roast everything in a pan till all the flavors comes out. Once done, take it out and keep it separate. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 medium-sized onion. Fry till it is slightly golden brown. Then add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Then few curry leaves. Fry them for a few minutes. Grind it with the dry roasted masalas. Add little water and make a fine paste. Now add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, few curry leaves. In this add 10 to 12 thinly sliced shallots. Fry them till it is transparent. Adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once the raw smell goes off, add the chicken pieces. Mix everything well, don't add water, cover and cook it on a medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. After 5 to 10 minutes of medium cooking, add the masala paste to the chicken. Mix well and add half cup of water in this stage. Cover and cook it on the medium heat again. Stir in between. Cook until all the masalas gets absorbed in the chicken and becomes dry. Now the chicken has absorbed all the masalas and has become dry. It's ready to serve. Hope you like this recipe. Do try and give me a feedback. Please like, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates. Thank you. Bye.